Navita and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys new here then welcome to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about retinol in details, and you have already know by the title that this video is going to be about the product Retinol 24 Night Serum and Retinol 24 Night Moisturizer by the brand Olay. I'll talk about the products later. Let me just quickly talk about retinol, and in this part of the video I'll talk about all the necessary details you should know about retinol before adding this on your skincare routine. So yeah, let's get started. Retinol is a derivative of vitamin A. In our skincare routine, retinol helps neutralize free radicals to boost collagen production. It creates a plumping effect that reduces the appearances of fine lines and wrinkles. At the same time, retinol has an exfoliating property which helps to remove the dead skin cells and improve the skin texture. It also helps to unclog the pores and penetrate deeper layer of our skin and remove acne from the root. So in short, for our skincare, retinol primarily used to treat acne, aging spot, hyperpigmentation, wrinkles, fine lines, pores caused by acne, and so many things. And guys, for a long-term use, it can change your skin texture. And guys, I got some comments on my previous retinol serum review, and here I want to clear your doubts. So I just want to mention some points like who should use this serum and how to use this serum. So yeah, point number one, initially when you start using retinol serum, make sure to apply it every alternative day. Once your skin accustomed with that ingredients, then you can go for a regular basis. And guys, you have to apply a good sunscreen at the daytime because sunscreen is very important when you are applying retinol in your skin. Point number two, what is the right time to apply retinol, at night or at the daytime? Well guys, this is recommended to apply at night, and you should apply any active ingredients in your skin at night. Point number three, and the most important question you ask for, can we use vitamin C with retinol? Well guys, these are the two ingredients you should not mix with. But yeah, you can use them every alternative day, like one day retinol, one day vitamin C, again retinol, again vitamin C, and like this way. Point number four, who should use this? Well, from the age of mid-20 to the age of 60, 70, 80, anyone can use retinol. And any skin types people, like if you have dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, acne prone skin, anyone can use this, but make sure to do a patch test before applying directly on your face. So these are the things you should know about retinol. Now let's talk about the product. So I have received these two products from the brand Olay. This is their Retinol 24 Night Serum, and this is their Retinol 24 Night Moisturizer. So Olay recently launched these products in India. Previously it was available on many foreign countries, and in India it is available on all Olay counters and Nykaa as well, and I'll share the purchase link into the description. And guys, the price of the products are pretty high. Each of them costed around 2,000 rupees. So yeah, it's pretty costly. But from tomorrow, Nykaa Pink Friday sale will start, so I think it will be on offer. And guys, I have some recommendation for Nykaa Pink Friday sale, and I'll share all of them on description, so make sure to check the description. So yeah, back to the point, back to the product. These two products are specially for 24-hour hydration, resurface and renew skin. The key ingredients of Retinol 24 range is retinol complex and vitamin B3, which is also termed as niacinamide. The ingredients penetrate up to 10 surface layer deep and instantly hydrate the skin. Both the products are fragrance free, and the dye free formula absorbs quickly, lock the moisture into the skin so that you wake up every morning with a healthy, nourished, younger looking, radiant skin. It is suitable for every day. Within 28 days you can see visible improvement in your fine lines, wrinkles and dark spots. Although I prefer to use retinol every alternative day, but this is totally my personal choice. The serum comes in this kind of glass bottle with this dropper. The price of the serum is 1999 rupees, and you're gonna get 30 ml of product, you have to just unscrew the cap to automatically drop the product into the dropper. Press the pump button of the cap to dispense the product. For automatic refill, close tightly after use. For manual refill, just press, hold and insert. On the back of the outer packaging, they have mentioned all the ingredients, but they haven't mentioned the amount, the percentage of the active ingredients, which I think they should mention. Take decent amount of product. It is little runny in texture. Apply it in dabbing motion, or you can massage it evenly all over on your face. It's get absorbed quickly. Apply it in the evening or at the night. Retinol 24 night moisturizer for us. It is also retails for 1999 rupees, but here you're gonna get 50 grams of product. Like serum, here they also mention the ingredient list. It comes in this kind of glass top packaging. It is little thick in consistency, but it is also gets absorbed quickly, and in the next morning you're gonna get nourished, plumped and radiant skin. So I have been using these two products for the last 2 months, and in the morning my skin feels plumped, radiant and moisturized. And guys, obviously the price of the product is pretty high, but you just need a very small amount, so one pack goes for long. And guys, don't expect like instant result from any retinol product. It works very slowly. So just stay calm, keep patience and let the retinol work. So that's all about the retinol and the product. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And guys, follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.